you are studying for the exam, they're going to break down for you what the disclosures are. But when you are speaking with a policyholder, they're going to want something a little more simplified. Dwelling coverage A, my house, my walls, the house burned down. I like to simplify those things while I'm educating and to be able to have a question and answer. In that, you also want to make sure as the agent, as the writing producer, that you are being very careful. Sometimes when I'm speaking with a policyholder or future policyholder, they like to give me hypotheticals. Here in the insurance world, we don't play with hypotheticals because what could happen is the policyholder can come back and say, well, but you said you don't want any sort of complaint with the Department of Insurance. You just don't want that. So be very, very careful with your hypotheticals. And if you do have a client, customer, or policyholder coming at you with hypotheticals, you want to make sure that you communicate, Mr. Mrs. Customer, we are careful with hypotheticals in the insurance industry. It is a highly regulated industry. On the other hand, you are welcome to give examples. If your house burns down, your loss of use is going to put you in a hotel, get you some meals until your home is repaired or rebuilt. So I like to be a little bit vague on my examples because we're not underwriters, right? We're not claims adjusters. We don't hold licenses there. We're actually not allowed to play at all with that. So you want to be very careful with any sort of hypotheticals. Super important to know that.